So this is important. Not all steamers are made the same, so you want to get the hot one, the super hot one. All right, make it easy on yourself. This is the cheapest one I found at a Walmart. Okay. All right, so you're gonna find a spot where you want to start. The only thing I found was be careful around the trim. All right, get it nice and hot and slowly pull it out. So find a place to start. Use something sharp. Don't be afraid. You're most likely not gonna scratch the window. They're real hard to scratch. So gently kind of get it nice and hot, and then look at it just comes right off. All right, so find a place like this. Ow, ow, hot, hot. Yep, and okay. Let me do this again. All right, back up a little bit, and then just kind of look how easy this comes out, and no glue, no glue. It's clean. Look at that. All right, so you don't want to do what I just did. Is find a glove, find a nice glove. When I'm see that. Don't do this. All right. All right. So here I'm going to show you how I do this the right way. This is the first window, so I'm kind of learning.
So as you can see, I'm working on 3 parts. 1 part, 2 part, I'm gonna break him in 3. Right now we're working on here. Let's get the heat. Okay.
All right. And make sure you clean up the water. All right. So the reason it's taken a while for me is because I got my kids helping me. All right. But as you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory, right? After the first window, you'll get it. You'll get it, and it's pretty easy. Make sure that just get it nice and hot. All right. All you got to do is get that plastic hot, and it comes right off. All right. Boom. You see that? Okay. Yeah. That's how easy it is. Booyah. Gently push down, and it comes right off. Amazing.
Gently take your time. Pop. Poop. Done.
Boom. Look how easy that was, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.